In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Gucci sneakers Snapchat filter. Okay, so the first thing to do is go to a web browser on your phone, and in this case I have Google Chrome open, and this will work on both Android and iOS devices. So once you're on the browser, I have left a link in the description of this video. If you go ahead and tap on that link, you'll be taken to this website right here. And then all you need to do from here is tap on open in Snapchat, and then you want to tap on unlock for 48 hours. Now what it says is point the camera on your feet for a try on. So you tap on OK, and then you can go ahead and try on the Gucci sneakers however you would like, and you can record a video from here. You can tap to go to the next shoe, and that's pretty cool in my opinion. I prefer this one right here. So all you would do from here, if you like this one, go ahead and record your video and then send it to your friends. So that is how you get the Gucci sneakers Snapchat filter. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.